Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have part 2 of the TradingView series. Now, in this video, I'm going to be touching up on the charting techniques such as your indicators, how to set alerts, as well as just touching up on your time frames. Now, if you're a day trader, you'll probably be going to be looking at the smaller time frame charts. So at WB, we do tend to looking at the 5-minute chart for our session momentum strategy. Now, if you're more of a swing trader, it's possible for you to be looking at your daily or weekly chart. Now, the main difference really between swing and day trading is simply how long you're going to be holding your trades for. Now, day traders will be holding their trade, within the day, and obviously with these smaller candles, you are catching trades that occur within one session in the day, possibly 2 days. However, swing traders, you're going to be taking some noise out of the charts, of course, but then in turn, you're going to be waiting a bit longer for your trades to kind of move and go towards their take profit. Now, another thing that you can do with TradingView is set alerts. Now, say we were waiting for price to come down to this bottom demand zone or something like that. But what we would do is on the right hand side of the screen, as you can see here, you're able to set an alert by clicking the plus button and adding an alert here. And then once price touches this area, you will get an alert ping off on your phone or your laptop device, whatever you're using the platform on, telling you, that it's time to look for a trade. But you're also able to set more than one. So say you were waiting on the other side, the price to come all the way up here. Again, you can set an alert and do it just like that. If you click on here, you are able to kind of edit your alert. So every time it touches this line, you can get an alert. You can kind of put a message here, and so on. Simply just to remove it, you can click on that X and delete them from your chart. Now on the left hand side of your screen, you have a bunch of different tools. So you have your trend lines here. If you wanted to mark out your support and resistance, you're able to do that with these lines. Again, on the top, something along the lines of this, and that would allow you to draw trend lines. You can change the color of them, the width of them, just by messing around with these tools up here. Just like so. We also have Fibonacci, and if you're looking at marking out your fib levels, that Fibonacci isn't correct because I have actually slightly changed mine. But if you go into the settings, you can obviously put all your fib levels on just like so. Whatever fib levels you want to look at, you can kind of add them and manipulate them to obviously suit your trading technique. We also have another one for me, which is actually one that I use quite often, is these position markouts. Now, if I'm looking at getting into a long trade, when we see price come down to these zones, I can draw a position markout with my stop loss, my take profit, and by right clicking on this, we can obviously go on the settings and we can change our stop loss and take profit so it's at your exact price. And so like I said, if you wanted to mess around with your stop loss level, change that slightly, but whatever number of pips you want. Same with your profit level, you can do that by doing it in the settings. Same again with the short position size, you can do the exact same, and mark out your trade just like so. Another one is text. So if you wanted to keep a note of, let's just say today is Thursday, and let's say you made, I don't know, 2R today. You're able to make a note of that, and obviously whilst you're going through testing, sometimes this is a good tool to use as well. Another one is this ruler. So let's say you wanted to, see what the range was, the price range from, let's see, from September all the way to now. You can see how many pips the chart has moved in that time frame using that. Another useful one is this magnet. Now, not a lot of people know about this, but say we have a position size here and we're struggling to find the exact price to get on, and it's just, you have to zoom in and be really exact to get your, the exact price. And what this magnet inevitably does is kind of allow you to hold on to the wicks or the bodies of the candle, and it will just kind of essentially just act as a magnet, which basically allow you to get better pricing when you're doing stuff like marking out your trade position. We also have other things here, just like hiding your drawings. If you have a bunch of position sizes and you want to get rid of them, or indicators, you can kind of hide them using this icon here. And that's pretty much it for the tools. Depending on how you trade, depends on what kind of tools you will actually need for your trading. Like I said, you've got brushes, arrows, shapes, if you want to mark out your demand zones, like so. You can also use these kind of shapes also. So yeah, in the later, I think it will be part four. I'm gonna quickly kind of talk you through, or I'm gonna basically go through a trade I would take myself using the strategy we use here at WB Trading, and show you kind of what tools I use when it comes to placing a trade. And the last thing for this video I did want to touch upon, in fact, I can quickly briefly talk about replay. So if you do pay for TradingView and you are on a plan, what you can do is if you're back testing, you can use this replay mode, and it will essentially remove everything that's happened over the past few months, or days, depending on what time frame you're looking at, and then you can essentially play the market back at whatever speed you like. And this is great for back testing. And I found this tool extremely useful when it has come to back testing. And you can simply exit that just like so. And the last thing is indicators. So you are able to search for any indicators you like. So let's just say the average true range is an indicator we're looking at, and it will add that to your chart at the bottom like so. And you're able to change the settings, so you can change the color of the ATR. And you can also, if you flip between different time frames, the ATR will kind of change depending on, um, depending on what time frame you are looking at. But yeah, you can use all sorts of things. You have things like your RSI, any type of indicator or anything you think can kind of aid your trading strategy. You can go onto this indicator, search it at the top, and go through some of these and see what what might suit your trading plan. But hopefully this video helped understand kind of different ways and different charting techniques that you can use on the TradingView platform to kind of aid you on your trading journey. But I'm going to wrap that up there for that video. In the next part, I'm going to be touching up on how you can add your broker to TradingView, and how you can actually place a trade using this kind of software. So thank you all for watching this video. If you are enjoying, please leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Take care, everyone.